HTML hyperlinks, also known as anchor tags, allow users to navigate between different web pages and sections of same web page. We can apply hyperlink to text, image, buttons, etc. In this video, we will learn about how to apply hyperlinks to text. The anchor tag defined with the A tag includes the text you want to add hyperlink to within opening and closing A tags. The link to the destination is specified using href attribute. We add the URL of the website we want to link here within the double quotes. This creates a hyperlink to the external website. We can also create a link to an email address. For that, instead of URL, we write mail to and then the email address, and let's change this text to email me. When you click on the hyperlink, you get a window into which you can type the message that is directly sent to this email address. You can also link to your own web pages when you have more than one page on your website. For this, we usually use the relative path, which is a path from one web page to another instead of the full URL address. To open the link in a new tab, which is the same as to right-click on the link and then open it in a new tab, we use another attribute called the target. Here, you write target is equal to _ blank within double quotes. You can also create a link to the location within the same page. Let us say we have a really long page. Let us add a paragraph with some lorem ipsum a bunch of times. So our page scrolls like this. Let us add a link at the bottom of the page to bring us back to the top of the page. For that, let us add h3 to the top of the page, which will act as our anchor to the link. We have given this an ID, which is the unique identifier for this element. There can only be just one ID called top in the whole document. Let us create a link to this ID at the bottom of the page. Put a hash sign, then the ID name where you want the link to go. So when we click this link, it jumps to the top of the page. This is how we create hyperlinks in HTML. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more coding videos. Thank you so much and take care.